Hoy! Andyan ka pala! Andito na naman ako! And look, so I'm filming this in our bedroom because it's nighttime right now. It's currently, as I am recording this, it is Thursday, June 25, and yes, this is my second day in a row of work. So, and tomorrow I'm still back at work, another 12-hour shift. But of course, this goodies came, so I have to open it up, and I have to open it up with you guys. And yes, they're all Hoyas. So, basically all of these are from Purges, and yes, the Wi-Fi, our new Wi-Fi has finally let me win Hoyas again from Purges. So we're gonna go ahead and do, so I have one from Hoya and I'm. Remember my first ever unboxing of, well, is it my first ever unboxing? But I believe so, yeah. And then I have one here from Minuin and from MC's Garden World, or Marcia Clemons, from all the way from Alaska. This one, we're gonna open this one first. OMG, my legs. And yeah, I'm actually on a plant ban now for 5 days, I guess, so we shall see how it goes. Open. And this one I already know that I got a free cutting gift because she posted it there on the purge of this specific Hoya, that it's gonna come with a free cutting. So this is Hoya Shepherd though. Look at the way she packed it. It's so like nicely packed. And mind you, this came all the way from Alaska. This is the shepherd. Ooh, that. This is beautiful. And look at the speckles. And look at the speckles. Isn't it pretty with this long tendril? And yes, this is already rooted cutting, just like the one that I unboxed prior. When was that? Like one of my, I'm gonna link it up here. But it's rooted, and yeah, she just doesn't send it with soil, so saves you. So yeah, rooted cutting, Hoya Shepherd now. And then my free bonus cutting is the Hoya. This is big. I didn't expect it to be this big. I thought it was just gonna be like, you know, like how a free cutting would be, but look at that. So gorgeous. Look at the veination. It almost reminds me of a Hoya Natalie or a Hoya Glabra in a way, but this is Aldrichii. Does it say? Yes, Hoya Aldrichii IML 1418. Thank you, Marcia. There's that. We're gonna move on to the next box. And the next box is from Minuin, the one whom I got my Hoya Imperialis. Open this, open. Ooh, popcorn. Oh no. Let me bring you back, Mr. Box. Oh, I open it upside down. Aha. Oh, okay, there's some soil, but yay, it's okay. I might be a little quiet on this unboxing because yeah, I did came from a 12-second, my 12, yeah, I did came from my second 12-hour shift in a row, so my energy is kind of, but a Hoya pick-me-up is always welcome. Ooh. I forgot. There's an ant. There's ants. I'm scared. to, oops. And that one is actually, I'll show you guys later after I deal with the ants. That scared me. I forgot which this one is. But it's this guy. I'll post the name of it later. So last box. This one is from Hoya. Okay, now I'm scared. So let's open it. I have a question, guys. Have you guys started going back to your work, like physically going to work? Ooh. More popcorns. Got me a ladder. I tried rooting this in Leica for you and it worked. And and then it failed. I must knocked it over and it pissed the new roots up. Sorry, but I tried. So it's yours on the house. Yee! Thank you for being a ray of sunshine and projecting positiveness upon our plant community. We appreciate all that you do. Thank you. How? Oh, and yes, his signature red string. Let's see which one this is. It's a gift. It's a free Hoya from Hoya House. No. Okay, so for you guys who don't know what Hoyas are, this is not just a leafless plant. Wow, well, maybe it is leafless because technically, I don't know. So this is a Hoyas partioides. I'm tearing up. OMG, these tears of joy. This is not a bad tears. Oh, I feel loved. Oh, yeah. How? And yes, I should cover my mouth. Thank you. You made. Yeah, I did. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Let me show it off to you guys. Wow. Look at that. Oh, I feel so blessed. Thank you. Okay, and then this note like topped it all off too. Thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Oh. Okay. Because there's more than one. Oh. Oh. Help me recover from that. Maybe that. Help me. And look at this amazing packing too. Oh, I need my little trusty cutter from my friend Maria. Hi Maria, thank you. This one I won from a purge. Which one are you again? I forgot. Oh, this is the UT something something. And look, it's already in Leica because he does know that I grew my plants in Leica. That's a smart way of packing. I'm learning a lot from, like, you know, like, as you unbox a lot of plant mail, you also learn how to pack plants from what you open up. Okay, and this one, oops. Ooh, this. So I bid it on this one because my mirabilis right now is not doing well. So I wanted a backup. And look at that! It's so pretty! So pretty! I'm so happy. Ow. I'm so happy. Thank you, How. OMG. This is the best. Ah. Wow. It's so... Aha. And then my aunt plant. Oh. Whoopa. Let's put this one here. And then my free. I got 2 free plants. 1 plant, 1 cutting. Oh, this guy here, the one that I got scared of, is actually the Hoya Wybergia or Bergia. Look at that. And this, oh, there's a new girl. Oh, this is so cool. So I would say once again, this is a splendid haul. I feel so loved. OMG. This topped it all off. Seriously. Thank you. And again, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I'm telling you how awesome is our plant community, guys. Like, I don't know what else to say, but thank you very much also for not just the people who have sent me these plants with a lot of love and care, for packing it and making sure that they arrive safely, and for giving me free. So this one, this is secretly on my wish list plant, which I don't tell anyone except Hoya How and OMG. And yeah, and then my free Aldrichia, oh, I'm saying Aldrichi, yeah, Aldriki. I'm just gonna type it as usual, you know, guys. And then my Hoya Shepherdal, my Hoya Mirabilis, Hoya Wybergia, that has a new name now that I'm gonna type here. I forgot which one this is, but I'm gonna type it here. It's already in Leica, and I love this cup. It's very nice. And this one too, I forgot the name. These two, I don't know their names, but I'm gonna insert it. And this one, thank you very much again for hanging out with me. And kita-kita tayo next time dito. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, I'm so, my heart is overflowing again. And may you always be blessed.